The 2025 Malibu YouTube channel brings you the latest and most detailed car reviews, covering the newest models with in-depth specifications and features. Today, we take a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Audi Q5, a luxury SUV designed to push the boundaries of performance, technology, and comfort. The 2025 Audi Q5 is the brand's largest SUV, built for those who demand premium luxury with a powerful presence on the road. Under the hood, the Q5 offers multiple engine options, including a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 producing around 350 horsepower and a more powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering up to 500 horsepower. These engines are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior traction and handling in all driving conditions. The SUV is also expected to feature a plug-in hybrid variant, catering to those looking for a balance between performance and efficiency. In terms of design, the 2025 Audi Q5 embraces a bold and sophisticated look. The front showcases a massive single-frame grille with sleek LED matrix headlights that offer advanced adaptive lighting technology. The sculpted body lines and muscular stance give the Q5 a commanding presence on the road. Large alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 23 inches, add to the SUV's sporty yet elegant appeal. The rear features dynamic OLED taillights and an optional light bar that enhances visibility and aesthetics. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that redefines luxury and technology. High-quality materials, including premium leather, genuine wood, and aluminum accents, create an upscale environment. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, featuring a massive OLED touchscreen with haptic feedback, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. A digital instrument cluster, known as the virtual cockpit, provides customizable displays for navigation, performance data, and entertainment. The available head-up display adds another layer of convenience by projecting essential information onto the windshield. Passenger comfort is a top priority in the Q5, with spacious seating for up to 7 occupants. The seats offer multiple adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The second-row captain's chairs provide an executive-level experience, while the third-row seats ensure ample space for passengers. A panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting with customizable colors, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system create an immersive in-cabin atmosphere. On the technology front, the 2025 Audi Q5 is equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance features. Audi's adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition enhance highway driving, while the 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist make city driving effortless. The SUV also boasts advanced safety features, including collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, and a state-of-the-art airbag system, ensuring top-tier protection for occupants. Performance-wise, the Q5 delivers an engaging driving experience with adjustable air suspension, dynamic chassis control, and multiple drive modes. Whether cruising on highways or tackling rough terrains, the Q5 adapts to provide the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The plug-in hybrid model is expected to offer an all-electric range of around 40 miles, making it a viable option for eco-conscious drivers. The 2025 Audi Q5 represents the pinnacle of Audi's SUV lineup, combining luxury, power, and technology into one refined package. It stands as a strong competitor against other high-end SUVs, offering a blend of style, innovation, and driving pleasure. For more in-depth car reviews and the latest updates on upcoming models, make sure to subscribe to 2025 Malibu. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Audi Q5.